Okay, so liquor store sales accounted for
5 million, something like that.
10.5 million.
Mm-hmm.
Marijuana dispensaries, 11.3. But then liquor sales in restaurants
And bars.
and bars was totaled 130 million.
Okay, but let me explain something though. Here's the thing. Listen, I'm an alcohol advocate. You see, I'm a mixer right here. You just give me whatever it is and I'll mix. But my thing is this: when you look at weed versus alcohol, right? Like, it's kind of scary for me being in the liquor business because I know weed doesn't give you a hangover. Okay, if we drink all night, we ain't getting up in the morning, or we throwing up and feel sick when you go to work. You could smoke all night and get up fresh, okay? And then if it's legal on the federal level, like all those bars and restaurants will be serving weed-infused desserts, a little weed drink, a weed this. So that 130 million that you quote, that's a tricky number because that can change over time. If the government legalizes, I really think that weed could take out alcohol. Not take it out, but could really put a hurt on alcohol. Because we're accustomed to drinking beers and having I love my little Negronis and Boulevardiers, dude, but at the end of the day, it's going to be tricky. You know what I mean? It's going to be a close call. Don't sleep on weed. That's deadly. Deadly in the sense it could put a hurt on alcohol because alcohol far worse for your body, in my opinion. Stay tipsy!